bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
So that means the water's coming down the harbour. So we're just going to flick the fly and hopefully not connect the drone. Where's Droney? I haven't used this fly line in a while, so she's a bit tangly. We might have the wrong fly on. I think we might need to change away from a gurgler. Gosh, those terns aren't too happy. Whoops. About Droney. It's almost blind casting into here because the water's still really dirty. We've got a couple of metres of water. But you never know what's hanging around structure. It's worth a look.